All right, I am ready to start making my gel. I have all of the things that I need here, at least to start before the microwave goes. So I have this gel box here that has in it this caster or mold, and it has this sort of rubber, flexible rubber on the outside, and it will eventually run this way. But for now, we're going to put this in here perpendicular to the way it will run. And you want to make sure that the rubber here does not move because it started to. And you'll put this into the gel box, and it makes a really firm seal on either side. So we can pour the liquid gel in there once it is microwaved and ready. So I have already measured out a gram of Agarose, and this is just a white powder, you can see. I'm gonna put that into my flask. These are flasks that we have in the lab that are already ready to be used with ethidium bromide, which means that they're not used for anything else. So they just are used with DNA gels over and over again. And I have 100 milliliters of this 1x TAE. So I've already diluted it from a 50x stock solution. All right, and we can see that it is this opaque liquid to start. I'm gonna now put this in the microwave, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. All right, we are back. We have now this clear sample, right? That's our gel that's completely mixed in there and melted. If you have any little bits that are floating around, probably want to pop it right back in the microwave. But we're ready, and it's cooled. And so I am now ready to add the ethidium bromide to this. This is our carcinogen. This is why I'm wearing gloves. That's why also we have these flasks that are labeled. Add the ethidium bromide to this. This is a pipette that's only used for ethidium bromide, and then this pipette tip will go in the hood. All right, we have our gel ready. I'm gonna swirl this up and pour this into that mold. And then add our comb in here. We're gonna use a comb that has 6 wells in it, and that's because these are the thickest that they are, so we'll try to get as much of that sample into the well so that it can be purified. All right, and then we will let this sit until it polymerizes. It is now really clear. When it polymerizes, it will look really opaque. I'll show you what that looks like when we get there.